Uh, 4, 4, 2, 6. Okay. All right, test. My test. Okay. It's okay. Right, so we are going to begin starting off with our exercise book here. You'll notice that I have the first thing here laid down is the exercise book. Yesterday we were talking about the one on. Oh yeah, Shanta, I haven't printed it for you yet. Okay, later I'll get it printed. Please have your exercise book ready. We'll start off with brain gym number 1. Sorry, brain gym number. We had a casual brain gym. So okay, let's have a formal one now. Brain gym number 1. Today is 7th February 2024. Okay, we have 5 minutes to solve the questions. Number 1. Hansi, what happened? I thought you got eyes. Your eyes so big and round. I can't see. You can see. Are you ready? You ready, right? Get set. Okay. Okay. And I haven't even start yet, don't worry. If you are ready, I shall press play for 5 minutes. Get set. 4 questions. GHIJ. Ready, set, go. No. Okay, pause. Ready or not? Eh, no. You can. You can write the answer straight away if you want. However, those who have nice looking will get extra characters then. If you are using a calculator, I will cancel your characters then. You're not supposed to use a calculator for this, huh? Yes? You're not supposed to do long division. You're supposed to recognize the pattern. Try to recall our pattern that we've learned previously. Remember the pattern? You divide by 1,000 first, then you divide by 2. Because 2,000, you divide by 1,000 first, then you divide by 2. Remember the pattern that we learned last week? You shouldn't be needing long division now. Remember, we learned recognizing pattern recognition last week. And we're using, yeah, then we know that we don't need to do long division or long multiplication because we can recognize patterns. Yeah, if you do workings, you do, because some of the friends ask me, can I just write an answer directly? At first I said no. Then I thought about it. If you can do mental calculations and you're getting it right, okay, that's good for you. However, it's a deduction of points if you're using a calculator. The calculator is not you. So calculator is not allowed. Alright, but to encourage you to do working, I say I'll give you extra character stamp if you're diligently doing your working. Now, if you're confused of what working are you supposed to be writing, then I try to remind you. Remember, we did pattern recognition? Yes. So we shouldn't be needing to write the whole, do a long division for that. Like 40, like 4,080,000 divided by 8,000. That shouldn't be the long division we are looking at. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. Anybody needs more time? Okay, I'll give you another 2 minutes. Okay. You shouldn't be needing to do like really long division. Okay. You should think about how you use patterns. Hi, Shen, you're finished already? Well, so you get 1 mark, but this presentation of answers is not acceptable. I'm using a Chinese book. But can you like write it in the so one then I suppose you need one square for each digit. This is not this presentation answer. I can't even see where your answer is. And how is 690,000 divided by 6 equals to 150? No, that's not what you're writing. This wrong division is wrong. This method not is zero. It will be zero if you write this in your answers, really. Because that's not the working you're writing. You're writing 690,000 divided by 6. Certainly it's not 150. You said it's 6,000, but it's not like. Okay? Kita jual macam berapa? It will be 0 marks one. Okay, time's almost up. Okay, now, so some of our friends here, I just write the answer immediately. So I suppose what you'll be writing on your book will look something like this. You are writing, maybe some of you, because you learn the method of cancelling, you are writing like this. Okay, I accept. Okay, but you realize that 690,000 divided by 6,000 is not that straightforward. I can still do it. I see, yeah, 690,000 divided by 6,000. If I cancel, it's still 690 divided by 6. The long division that I need to do is 690 divided. You still somehow need some form. Okay? Now, I'll flash the answers here. My best preferred way of doing, let me stop share. Here. Okay, continue. You can continue. If you need more time, fine, go ahead. I am not stopping you. Neither am I discounting you on it. I'm giving you a timer to let you. No, I'm not showing all the answers yet. Okay? Now, I set the timer for you. The main reason is for you to be aware of how much time you need to solve a question. So that during exam time management is important. Okay? Question number 4. Yes. 4,080,000 divided by plus. Thank you. Now, so my preferred method of writing, as I show you here, like this. Divide by 1,000 first, then divide by 2. I have to repeat this again, Ethan. This is very important. Ethan, it's not about the answer, it's really about the process, the step by step. You will not be marked just on the final answer. You are primary 5 now, so the number of marks or an answer can give you is just 1 mark. But beyond that 1 mark, each question can score you 2 to 4 marks. If you are missing out important workings, you just think you write the answer, you get really. No, you might not get the mark at all. Okay? So what happened was, Ethan was writing, I can see his process of thinking. His answer was correct. However, his working shows him a wrong answer. Like for example, this, he knows, he wrote down 690,000, then he divided by 6. Like this, and then he was doing everything correctly. The long division here was all correct. But then he wrote the answer. So, see, I got my answer. Then I was telling him, in the exam time, this will be marked 0 marks. Because it's clearly not the answer. Then he says, no, but I'm dividing by 6,000. I said, yeah, I know what you're doing, but this is not what you're writing in your exam paper. You understand what I'm saying? So the clarity of steps have to be there. Okay? Ken, is this okay? Ken, are anybody full marks? Okay, you take note yourself, if full marks all correct. Okay, I'll be nice. 4 out of 5, 4 out of 5. Or 5, okay, sorry. 3 questions, sorry. 3 questions correct or 4 questions correct, get you 1 character stamp. Okay? If you 1 wrong, I'll take it as you careless mistake, never mind. Okay? You get 3 questions correct, that's 1 character stamp. If you show working like this, step by step, very clear, or you have a long division, that's an extra 1 character stamp. Okay? I trust you, believe in you. I know my children have integrity. You can mark in your handbook later, like, you know the handbook, right? Just mark how many you're supposed to take. Okay? Ethan, I'm going to give you a chance here. If just now your answers were correct, I'll take it as it is. Okay? But please follow the working. Can? Okay, there are more opportunities. Okay, this is just number 1. he said 4,080,000. And I flashed it on the board. Okay? You know what? 4 million divided by 8,000? Is that what you wrote? What is the answer? Okay, consider correct. Now, guys, really, the important part is getting the process right. Okay? I say that again. The important part, ask my little b to say this again. My little b will say here. The point is not getting all right away. The point is growing your understanding step by step. Okay? Now, okay. Just for fun, I'm going to share this as well. I saw this video. Another, yes, another. What's my another? Here. Here. Right? Let me share the another screen. Here. Okay. So before we do another, there's this song here by number rock, like it's a rap, it's quite cool. But it's a bit more it's a little bit more difficult because it talks about indices and other things that is from secondary school. Oh, sorry.
Multiplication and division in the same step. Addition and subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve. Parentheses first. 2 times 4. The product's 8. Are you ready for more? Exponents next, 2 squared is 4. Let's move down like we did before. Time to divide or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the signs. Divide the 8 by the 2. The quotient's 4 and we're almost through. It's finally time to add or subtract. 8's the answer and that's a fact.
Turn that down.
Parentheses first, exponents next. Multiplication and division in the same step. Addition and subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve.
2.
Parentheses first, 2 times 6. The product's 12. Put it back in the mix. Exponents next, 3 squared is 9. When you know the tricks, it don't take much time. Now we divide or multiply. Let's see what we got. Take a look at the signs. 9 divided by 9 is 1. The answer's close, man. We're almost done. 4 minus 1 has a difference of 3. When we add the 12, we get 15. Parentheses first, exponents next. Multiplication and division in the same step. Addition and subtraction. If you got the nerve, from left to right, first come, first serve.
Darren was asking, so what happens if there are brackets and saying the rule? So to help us remember order of operation, the PEMDAS rule. Yeah, the rule is to do the bracket first, no matter what it is. So the rules for order of operation on numbers say with brackets. I draw the brackets to emphasize with brackets. Number one, do calculations in brackets first. No matter what operations is inside, do brackets first. Next, after you finish the brackets, the next one must be either multiplication or division. And the rule is from left to right. Rules of order of operations with brackets. Do calculations in brackets first. Next, multiply or divide from left to right. Finally, then add or subtract is all from left to right. This is the universal rule of operations in the whole wide world. Everybody follows that. So no matter which country you go to, you won't be confused because everybody follows the same rule of order of operations. Now you find my handwriting not so useful in copying, then I point you to page number 38 of your textbook. Which is, ta-da, here. Okay? All right? For greater emphasis, I'm writing down in my notebook because during exam time, I don't think anybody will go and read the entire textbook. You will. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Okay? Most of us will probably be reading, like taking notes. I think it's going to be much a thinner book, right? When I remember notes. Is this okay? If that's okay, then let's give it a try. Okay, so what are the rules for Noodle? This is a mini Noodle. I thought the mini version. The adult version is a little harder. Like the more digits in play. I don't know the answer for this one. I just turn on a new tab. So it might be something that I cannot do. So, well, it says here. It says here, mini Noodle rules are the same as the classic ones, except all calculations are just 6 tiles. So you've got 6 tiles. Guess the doodle in 6 tries. After each guess, the color of the tiles will change to show how close your guess was to the solution. Okay, so if it's a green color, I just like Wordle. You know, you play, right? So green means it's correct position and correct number. If it's black, that means it's wrong guess. If it's pink, it's correct by the wrong position. You can use, each guess is a calculation. You can use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus, minus, times, divide, or equal. The standard of operation applies, so calculate your times and divide before you do plus and minus. Okay, now there's no brackets here, so don't have to worry. Are we ready? Okay, first one. Okay, I'll write it down. 7, 7 then times 3. Now must have an equal sign. Equal. Huh? 21. Okay, are we agree to try this? 7 times 3 equals to 21. Enter. Oh. The pink color means you got the correct number, but it's the wrong position. Black is totally wrong. So there's no times. There's 3 and 2 and 1. Yes. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay, are we okay to try? Enter. Okay. Okay, but not divide. 12 something minus. No, 3 is not correct here. Ah, Cheryl? 9. Oh, 9. 9 plus 3. Excellent, very good. Now one more. That's whether we can do whether we can do more than one every day. So that was an easy one, the medium one. Shall we that's the easy one. Shall we try the difficult one? Okay, we go to the original one, okay? The original one has more digits. The original one has like has like more digits. Hey, it's loading. Okay. Now while it's loading, while it loads, later I will try on it. Let's go into our worksheet and try now and check whether we got our answer for yesterday, okay? Was yesterday's homework difficult? Relatively quite fast, right? So let's do a quick to check whether we got the right answers. Yeah, we can use a green pen to check. May I urge you to please really be step by step? Huh? Yes, you can take with your green pen. You can do corrections immediately as well. Okay, so yesterday for this one, I do a quick run through, okay? This one will be 34, right? Minus 16, that will be 18. Okay, and then moving on. Ethan, are you on the worksheet? I move on to the next task already. Yes. Okay, moving on. I think it should be quite okay. 63 plus 48, that will be 111. Minus 71. Answer is 40. Okay, next one. 59 minus 27, that's 32, right? Plus 33 is 65. Okay. Is it okay? You should have 2 steps, huh? I should be expecting 2 steps. Why should I be expecting 2 steps? Yes, very good. Thank you. 2 operations. Okay, now next one. 1, 2, 3. 3 operations, 3 equal sign. Because it's just plus and minus, do left to right. 15 plus 83, that's 98. Minus 58 plus 19. I will do this one first. 98 minus 58, 40 plus 19, answer 59. Am I getting this right? Yes. Oh, I can have one now. Yep. Yep. Okay. Thank you. Right, so this going on move on to page 32, okay? Page 32, how many of us have done it already? Oh yeah, I'm going to move on. Yeah. How many of you have done page 32 already? Some of us oh the last one, okay. All right. My friend says I shouldn't skip question. Okay, this one. 67 minus 34, 33. Is that correct? Plus 18 minus 25. 51 minus 25. 26. Is that correct? Okay, page 32. So moving on now to page 32. Yeah, yes, correct. But I'm trying to go a bit faster because you still got one segment to do. Okay, find the values of the following two operations, so two steps. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24. Are you writing? I should just give you the instructions instead of asking you next time. Please write now. If you can, try to be faster than me. So in this, there's only divides. Two operations, two equal sign. 34 divided by 6 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Is it correct? Underline the operation that I'm going to do first. Moving on. 5 times 6 divided by 3. Do 5 times 6 first. That's 30. 30 divided by 3. Answer is 10. Is that okay? 100 divided by 5 is times 4. I will do 100 divided by 5 first. That's 20. Times 4, that's 80. Okay, follow on, moving on. Moving on. Is it okay? In a slow motion. Yeah. Okay, 1 operation, 2 operation, 3 operation, 3 equations, 3 equal sign. I do the first one, 30 divided by 10 is 3 times 8 divided by 6. Then I do 3 times 8, that's 24. 24 divided by 6, answer is 4. Is that correct? Yeah, okay, then next one. 3 operations, 3 equal sign. Do 9 times 8, that's 72. Divide by 6, then divide by 4. Do 2 divided by 6, that is 12, right? 12 divided by 4, the answer should be 3. If you have any, very good. If everything is correct, go and start for yourself and earn money. Okay, moving on. Next one, page number 33. Okay, on page number 33 now, the question asks us to check which working shows the correct order of operations. It has to be correct. Put a tick if the working is correct. According to this, I think the easiest way is to just do it like beside. So I will 30 plus 48 divided by 3 times 2. Well, 30 plus 48 divided by 3 times 2. I should do this one first to give me 30 plus 16 times 2. Then 16 times 2, 30 plus 32. Answer should be 64. So in this case, it should be 62, sorry. Yeah, I mean, no, yeah. I think the easiest way is just work it out and see which one is the correct one. So which one is the correct one? And okay, is it difficult? Okay, moving on. Am I going too fast? Okay, then the next one, because I still got one more to complete. Okay, those were already like done, right? Didn't it done? So it's okay. Moving on, moving on. Okay, not yet. Okay. Okay, so the next one here, 35 minus 15 divided by 5, 10 times 3. So I will do this one as number 1, the first one to do. Then this one as number 2, and the last operation is minus. So I'm going to check the first one. Okay, this one's already wrong because it's doing the minus first. This one is doing the division. Seems like this one is correct. Okay, but the second one is minus. So this is wrong. And this one shows time first. This is wrong already. So the answer should be this one. I'm doing this one first, then do times, then minus. The answer is this one. Is it okay? All right. Okay, moving on page 34 now. Still at the part of without brackets. So far we have a mixture of operations. This is page 34. Yeah, are you all with me? Yes? On page 34, I write down as the top to remind myself, please excuse my Aunt Sally. My dear Aunt Sally. My dear Aunt Sally. So brackets first. This is bracket first. Then times and divide, add and subtract. Times and divide, add and subtract. Left and right in order. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so the following goes. 2 operations, same method, 2 equal sign. I'll choose to do times first. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 minus 6 is 24. Two operations plus and times. I should do times first. So it's 8 plus 32. Answer is 40. I'm going too fast. Please press me to play at 0.5 times speed. You will do 8 times 4. Oh, so slow. Please press me for 0.25 times speed. Please, you should do 8 times 4 first. That is 32. Copy the first part down. The 1000 speed. Finish. Okay. Okay? Yeah, I'm done. Finish. That was, he said play at 10, he said play at 1000 speed. You didn't hear it? I already said C and D. I said, he said play at 1000 speed. I said it already. You didn't hear it. He said play at 1000 speed. Play at 1.25 speed. This is question C and question D. I've already completed question C and question D. I said it as play at 1000 speed. I haven't done it already. On this level now, you'll be at this first, or I check. Yeah, this one. That's more complicated. Okay. And the next one here, question E and F. 1, 2, 3. 3 operations. 1 equal, 2 equal, 3 equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 operations. 1 equal, 2 equal, 3 equal, 4 equal. Okay, do the 5 times 9 first, that is 45 minus 3 times 5. Do 3 times 5 first, 45 minus 15. Then you get the answer. Now, do 7 times 6 first. So 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 36 divided by 6 minus 4. Do 36 divided by 6 first. 42 plus 6 minus 4. Then do 42 plus 6, that will be 48. 48 minus 4, that will give you the answer. Am I still going too fast for you? No, right? You had me to play myself at 1.2 times speed. That was 1.2 times speed. Negative 1. Negative 1, that means I must go backwards. 4 minus 84. 4 minus 6 plus 240. Okay. Backwards, he says negative. 1 minus me. Are you done? Is this okay? Is this difficult to understand? But to be honest with you, I think it's very easy to make careless mistake one. Agree? You better be aware. If you don't agree, that means you are the one that is getting all correct. That's very good. Okay? But I would say it's even I make careless mistakes sometimes. Because we are so used to writing from left to right, left to right, left to right. Is it okay, everybody? Now we are moving on to page 35. Other operations using brackets. If you didn't catch me, you can go home and press play, pause, or repeat on the YouTube video. Thank you for your subscription. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I look forward to you being part of my video shorts. Yeah, in the past I had about like 2 videos or from students they're part of my shorts. Yeah, video shorts for the years. Yeah. That was quite funny, right? Yeah. Hey, but you're so game for it, right? Yeah, you see the teachers, they're so game for it. They're willing to try things out. Okay. Huh? Oh, God. Okay, moving on. We are. You go home and replay me on YouTube. Now we are at the order of operation using brackets. Ethan, may I know what page are you at? You have not written a thing. Have you written a thing here? Page 34. Everybody has completed page 34. If it's not completed, it's homework, you know. Including all the steps here. I'll be collecting tomorrow, you know. Sorry? No, I'm moving on now, right now, everybody. Huh? You're already done? Okay. Guys. Okay, wait. Now, on page 35, here says the correct order of operation. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I should do the brackets first, which in this case, this got it. This is not correct. This got it. No, this didn't say. Oh yeah, this got it. This one's got it too. Then the next step says, I should be doing multiplication first. So this is correct. This is not correct. Oh, this is already out. This one is out. This seems correct. After that, I should be doing division first. So this is wrong. And this correct. Okay, the answer is this one. Is this okay? Yeah? So I'm checking the order of operations. Okay, shall I move on? You try the next one on your own. I'm on page 36 now. Yahoo! Have you done word problems? Yeah, you have. Yeah, but I was saying that I'm seriously considering about printing the whole thing again for us to redo the whole thing. Well, we'll see. Well, it counts on Ethan as well. He's saying that he has everything completed, everything. So tomorrow, if he submits his work in order, then everybody no need to redo the work problem. However, if Ethan didn't hand in the work in order, then he's going to sabotage everybody. Oh no, maybe, but the rest of us hand in properly, then it's not fair to punish everybody else, right? Then only he will do the whole set by himself. To be fair, right? But I trust that he's able to do it. He said that he done it already. Right, Ethan? Yeah. I have good faith in my kids. Right. Since you're working on it, so somebody said we are already done. Jaron, you're already done. This is page 36. You're already done with this? Oh no, you're working on it now? Oh, okay. So this is like homework. It's either you do your work now, then if it completely managed to be successful, then I will say congratulations, no homework today. Okay. Really tomorrow, we're gonna see tomorrow how it turns out. Okay. I'm keen to letting you celebrate your Chinese New Year with less homework. But we have to see whether you're going to be able to manage your work problems tomorrow. Huh? Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. But I have lots of homework. I'm so upset. I've got a lot of marking to do. And some of you make my life harder. You know why? You don't hand in your work on time. Hey, imagine I'm like marking finish like one set, then suddenly one extra worksheet pops up. Yeah. But we're quite good so far, you know. I'm so proud of 5 perseverance. You have been like submitting almost all your work, like everybody is quite good with it. You'll probably just delay 1 or 2 days. So, and because you need more time, then I think that's fair. Okay, remember you leave a little bit of the side if you are doing like the long workings, okay? If you need to do long workings, please do, okay? Please write, Ethan. I'm on page D. Page 30, oh sorry, page 36, question D. I spoke at a jump speed, so I jumped some words when I'm speaking. Page 39, page 36, question D. Page 36, question D. Am I getting this right? Ethan, you don't need the scissors now. No, you're going to do this work now on task. The task that I need you to do. You're doing it right. This is correct.
So after I
Mm-hmm.
I just
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very good. You're on the right. I can continue to write the steps first. Okay, let me show you how to do it, okay? Now, Skylar is at question G. Okay, hold on now. I'm showing you F. F is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 operations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so do the brackets first.
Don't skip steps. I think most of us, you're gonna make errors if you skip steps. 72 divided by 8 plus 3 times 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 9 plus 3 times 7. 9 plus 21 equals to 30. Hold on. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Oh, yeah. The bracket should be here. See where the bracket is? Okay. Okay, the bracket. This is the bracket. I thought this is not correct. This is not correct. Because if you write it outside, they are going to do points. You gotta put this inside. You have to erase it. It's not correct.
There's two or more. You did ask me to put it.
Yes, you have to fix the brackets first. So this one is a bit more complicated. G and H. So I have to fix the brackets first. This one is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix the bracket first. 78 minus 14. The first bracket that I see is this one. So this is 64 divided by 8 times 15 minus 10 plus 3. I have to fix the ones in the bracket first. 64 divided by 8 times open bracket. The bracket is still there. I haven't finished the bracket yet. So the bracket is here. 15 minus 10 is 5 plus 3. Skylar, see, this is what I mean. Yeah, can you look at this? You have to put the 5 inside. Okay? Okay, so then I will do 64 divided by 8 times 8. Yeah, the answer is 64. Why? Because you divide by 8, then you times 8 again, then it's just you divide by 8, then you times 8 again. Then you just cancel each other. You just but of course, you can still do the extra step of 64 divided by 8. That's 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Is this okay? Okay, I leave you to do the rest. Is it okay? And we want to play one more round, right? Yeah, just one more. 3 or 2 minutes. Yeah. It's okay? Oh, so don't. You can do the another, right? Oh, okay, yes. Okay, so we do that. Wait, let me just write this down first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait a minute. I'll do this one first. 12 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 plus 5 times 8 divided by 10. Then 5 times 8 first. 20 plus 40 divided by 10. Then 40 divided by 10. 20 plus 4. Answer is 24. Is it okay? Then, okay. Before we continue, can we collect page 18 first? The other one. This one, remember this one? Then you read the lines and dots. You remember this one? Okay. You got it? Okay. Please come and submit it. So, we'll do the another tomorrow instead, okay? We'll do the another tomorrow instead. The bell is gone. Oh, no, don't want to mess up. Hey! Do I climb the box? I don't want to mess up my function. Okay? Is it okay? So you're gonna handle this tomorrow? Yeah. To complete one? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna believe you, you know.